Good morning to my kindergarten friends out there. This is Mrs. Cancer. I hope you're well and rested and ready for some math. Let's get our mathematician brains on and take 9 apart today. Kindergarten, during today's math lesson, we are going to practice drawing pictures using a 5 group to show the parts of 9. Let's get ready. Kindergarten, a 5 group is a math tool used to help you keep your counting work organized. Today we're going to use a 5 group to show the parts of 9. Take a look at my 5 group of 9 at the bottom here. Let's count how many circles I have at the top of my 5 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, that's why they call it a 5 group. There are 5 circles up top. But remember, I want to make a 5 group of 9. So I need enough circles that will give me 9. How many more circles do I need at the bottom? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 circles at top, 4 circles at the bottom. Make how many circles all together, kindergarten? What did you say? You got it. It makes 9. Just to make sure, we should count all together. Let's count these circles all together, not in their parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 circles up top and 4 circles at the bottom makes a 5 group of 9 circles. So today, kindergarten, you're going to be showing a 5 group of 9. Kindergarten, today during this lesson, we're going to use story problems to show 5 groups of 9 today. Now, when we show 5 groups of 9, we're going to show the 2 parts that come together to make 9. Listen carefully to this number story. There are 5 cupcakes, yummy, and 4 cookies. Getting so hungry. How many snacks are there in total or all together? Now remember, our job today is to show this number story in a 5 group. To show this story in a 5 group, I need to be listening for the 2 parts that make 9. What 2 numbers did you hear in our number story? Me too, kindergarten. I heard the number 5 and the number 4. So that means we're going to put those numbers in a 5 group. Let's start with the biggest number first. There were 5 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then our story problem says there were 4 cookies. Now, because the cupcakes and the cookies are 2 different parts, I want to show that in my 5 group. So that means I'm going to make my 5 cupcakes look different than my cookies so that you can see the parts clearly. So I'm going to make my cookies white. How many cookies? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kindergarten, 5 cupcakes plus 4 cookies make how many snacks all together? What did you say? 9? Are you sure about that? Let's confirm or check. We can confirm or check our answer by counting our 5 group all together. Let's count all of our circles or our snacks all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 cupcakes and 4 cookies makes a total of 9 snacks all together. We can even put this drawing into a number bond. Going in the hole is 9 because there are 9 snacks all together or in total. Going in the parts, we know we need 5 cupcakes and 4 cookies. Nice job, kindergarten. Let's try another one. Kindergarten, remember, our job is to make a 5 group to show 9. We want to show the 2 parts of a 9 and a 5 group. Listen carefully to this number story. It's another yummy one. Listen carefully. There are 7 donuts and 2 muffins. How many snacks are there in total? So we know that we want to make this story into a 5 group to show 9, kindergarten. So we want to make sure we heard our numbers carefully. We heard the number 7, good job. And we heard the number 2 in our story. We know that 7 and 2 must be the, you got it, kindergarten. They're the parts. They're the parts that make what number, though? Kiss your brain. They're the parts that help to make 9. So let's get them in our 5 group. Now there were 7 donuts. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 donuts. Uh-oh. Am I going to keep on going across? No, I'm not. I'm going to keep it a 5 group. 5 at top and some more at the bottom. 6, 7. 7 donuts and 2 muffins. Now remember, I want to make sure you can see my 2 parts. So I'm going to change the color here to white so that you can see my 2 muffins. 1, 2. 7 donuts plus 2 muffins. Let's count to confirm that we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we can put this in a number bond. Our whole is 9. Our parts that made 9 are 7 donuts and 2 muffins. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Good job, kindergarten. Let's try a new one. Kindergarten, I have another yummy number story for you. Listen closely. There are 6 brownies and 3 pies. How many snacks are there in total? Now remember, we want to make a 5 group of 9 to show the 2 parts of 9. We're using a 5 group table here. Listen carefully for the parts. There are 6 brownies and 3 pies. How many snacks are there in total? What 2 numbers did you hear in that story, kindergarten? You guessed it. You heard 6 and 3. Now, our job is going to be to complete a 5 group of 9. Remember, a 5 group keeps your counting organized. Remember, we start with 5 at the top and the rest of our circles at the bottom. We also want to make sure we show the 2 parts differently. So you're going to want to color some circles in and leave some circles clear. Are you ready? This is a good opportunity for you to pause the video, grab a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can complete your own 5 group for this number story. Also, take an opportunity to complete a number bond. Thumbs up when you're ready. Kindergarten, does your 5 group table look similar or the same as mine? Nice work. What 2 number parts did you put in your 5 group to show 9? 6 brownies and 3 pies. That means we needed to think about those 2 numbers and start with our biggest number first in our 5 group table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more brownie makes 6. Next, we wanted to find our other part. Our other part was the number 3. There were 3 pies. So we're going to put 3 circles in our 5 group. But we want to make sure that our 3 circles look different from our 6 brownies so that we can tell them apart. We'll make them clear. 1, 2, 3. 6 brownies plus 3 pies means that there are how many snacks in total, kindergarten? That's right, there are 9. We can confirm that by counting all together, or check our work by counting all together. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've completed our 5 group of 9 for this story. Now we want to finish the number bond. Going in our hole is the number, you guessed it, 9. One of our parts is 6 because there were 6 brownies. Our other part is 3 because there were 3 pies. Kindergarten, did anybody tell you you are amazing at creating a 5 group of 9 and a number bond? Good work. Let's try one more. Okay, kindergarten, here's one more number story. Let's read it together. There are 8 honey buns, yummy, and 1 cake. How many snacks are there in total? Remember, total means all together. Okay, kindergarten, you know exactly what to do. Your job is to make a 5 group to show 9 in 2 parts. Look at your number story. Find the 2 numbers that are going to help you make your 2 parts. Complete your 5 group of 9 in the 5 group table. And then make a number bond. When you're all set, give a thumbs up. Kindergarten, let's take a look at our 5 group of 9. Remember, our story read as follows. There are 8 honey buns and 1 cake. How many snacks are there in total? We know the first thing we want to do is listen for those important numbers. What important numbers did you hear in this story, kindergarten? Good work. We heard 8 and 1. Now we want to represent the 2 parts of our story in a 5 group made up of 9. So we want to start with the biggest number first. Our big number in this story was the number 8. So we are going to put our 8 circles in a 5 group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our 8 honey buns. Next number in our story was the number 1. There was 1 cake. We want to add this to our 5 group table, but we want to make sure that we make it look different than our 8 honey buns so we can see the 2 parts in our story. So we'll make this one a clear circle. 8 honey buns and 1 pie means that there are how many all together, kindergarten? Should we count? I think counting is a good idea. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Do you see how useful a 5 group is? We were able to organize our picture and to count correctly, all because of this great tool called a 5 group. So we know that we have 9 circles all together. We know that we have a part that was 8 honey buns, and we have another part that was 1 cake. Now we can fill in our number bond. Our total, 9, goes in the hole. Our part, 8, goes in one part of our number bond, and our part 1 goes in the other side of our number bond. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Kindergarten, you did amazing work today. We are going to do this work again. So be ready tomorrow for another awesome day of math. Have fun in the sun. I'll see you soon.